Today was the second day of trial for one of two men accused in a double murder in Tulsa. Hunter Hobbs and Denham Blount are charged with robbing and killing Caleb Collier and Kelly Ray Lansaw Davis. 2 News Oklahoma's Shay Smith returned to the courtroom today. She joins us live now with what took place. Shay?
Today was day 2 in Hunter Hobbs' trial. Now, he is facing charges in connection to an attempted carjacking and a double homicide in Broken Arrow. Now, earlier this morning, the government wrapped up some of its last witnesses who testified to the attempted carjacking. Then the government moved on to question witnesses regarding that double homicide in Broken Arrow that Hobbs and his co-defendant are on trial for. The bodies of Caleb Collier and Kelly Lansaw Davis were found at Hickey Creek Park in May of 2021. The government questioned a police officer who was the second officer on the scene. They also questioned a crime scene unit detective from the Broken Arrow Police Department. And something that the defense and the state are really trying to focus on is how many rounds were fired out of the pistol that was involved and the shotgun that was involved and who exactly was holding which. Now, during the questioning, the state did show some pictures of the crime scene of that double homicide, and some of the victims' family members did look distraught as the pictures were pretty graphic. After the evidence was shown, I did see a couple of jurors look towards the direction of where the victims' families are sitting. And from what I can see, the defendant, Hobbs, is watching all of the witnesses and the evidence being shown. Now, this afternoon, his co-defendant, Denham Blount, took the stand and gave his side of the story to what he says happened that night of the attempted carjacking and that double homicide. When I stepped out, the government was still questioning him. The defense had not begun their cross-examination either. So this trial will pick back up tomorrow morning. Live in Tulsa, Shay Smith, 2 News Oklahoma.